guys, so today we will be having our body measurement. So before anything else, we will be measuring the body of our client. So here are the things that we need. First is, of course, we have our tape measure and your record book and calculator, of course, and pencil, ball pen, or you can use anything na pwedeng isulat. And of course, sa record book, hindi naman need na kailangan record book talaga. You can use your notebook, papers, basta may listahan lang kayo na paglalagyan nyo ng measure or ng kung ano yung ma-measure nyo sa body ng client nyo. So those are the things that we need. Hindi naman masyado mahirap yung mathematics. So we only have here yung division and subtraction. Yun lang. And pwede na din hindi kailangan yung calculator. You can use your tape measure in dividing or sa paghati-hati ng measure. So today we will start in our blouse, of course. How to measure or paano kukunin yung measure ng body client. Of course, guys, sa inyo, since you are the trainee, you should use your own body measurement. So kailangan meron kayong kasama na magme-measure sa inyong body, and kailangan marunong din kayo paano mag-measure. So first is we're gonna measure the shoulder line. So, ito yung client natin. Mas madali kasi kapag nakatalikod yung client natin in measuring the shoulder line. So, talikod. So, here is your tape measure. I hope that all of you guys know how to use this tape measure. So, from here to here, we have 14 inches. So, we will gonna use the inches, not the centimeters, kasi mas mahirap yung centimeters. So, mas prefer natin gamitin yung by inch. So, we have 14 inches sa kanyang shoulder line. So, I will be using black and red for the red. Ito yung final na measure sa inyong client. Kasi, ganito, kapag ka black, so we have 14 inches. So we're gonna put the 14 here. Sa shoulder line kasi, we will gonna be dividing 2 sa shoulder line. So 14 divided by 2. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Ang 7 inches. So, final na yun yung ang shoulder line, ang measure ng kanyang shoulder line is 7 inches. Yun yung sa blouse na pagtatahiin natin. Next is the back chest. Sa back chest, hindi na kailangan ng measurement sa body niya. Ganito na lang ang gagawin, mas madali. Shoulder line less 1/2. So, kung ano yung shoulder line nyo dito, 7 inches less 1/2 would be your back chest. So, 6 and 1/2 inches. So, parang hindi klaro yung ating pentel pen. So, we're gonna be use black na lang. 6 and 1/2 inches. So that would be our back chest. Next is our front chest. So sa front chest, hindi din tayo magme-measure. So ang gagawin lang natin is to get the front chest, back chest less 1/2. So our front chest would be 6 and 1/2. Ito yung final back chest natin, less 1/2. So our front chest would be 6 inches only. So yun lang po, at napakadali lang kung paano i-measure yung shoulder line, back chest, and front chest. So we cannot get the front chest and back chest without the shoulder line. So you should first measure the shoulder line before the front and the back chest. Next would be our bust point. So, and remember guys, always remember this, that if you are the trainer or if you are the trainee, you should always put your tape measure here. Pero sa akin, para mas madali, tinatanggal ko siya. Pero kailangan talaga nasa leeg siya. So, we're gonna be measuring the bust point. So, yung bust point from here to here. sa kanyang center ng kanyang bra. So we have 9 inches. Our bust point would be 9 inches. Wala na siya, hindi na siya kailangan i-divide or i-less pa into 1/2 kasi ito yung bust point natin. Later on, we will explain why we need to divide into 2, why we need to divide into 4. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung bakit mayroong division. Next would be our bust distance. So here, in measuring bust distance, from bust point, kung saan yung center, dito din kayo magme-measure. So we have 7 inches for our bust distance. 7 inches. Our bust distance, before we get the final bust distance, we need to divide it into 2 first. So 7 inches divided by 2, we have 3 1/2 inches. So yun lang, ganun lang kadali yung mathematics natin. Hindi masyado siya mahirap. We only have the division and yung subtraction lang naman. Next would be our figure length. In getting the figure length, pwede sa harap, pwede din sa likod, pero mas prefer ko na sa likod. Figure length. Kung saan yung parang curve niya, doon, hanggang doon lang. From here to here. So we have 12 inches for her figure length. 12 inches. Then the full length. Figure length, after recording the figure length, magdiretso na lang kayo sa full length. Hanggang dito sa parang sa upper part ng kanyang butt. So we have 19 inches for her full length. Next would be our waistline. So, kung saan yung figure length, doon din kayo magme-measure ng inyong waistline. Sa waistline, in measuring the waistline, we should always remember na kailangan meron tayong allowances. So, para may allowance yung pagme-measure natin, gamitin nyo tong 3 fingers nyo, ganyan, para medyo maluwang siya. Mas okay na yung maluwang kaysa sa hindi kasya sa kanya. Kasi kapag maluwang, matatahian lang siya or maa-adjust lang siya kapag during the yung magtatahi ka na. So we have here 28 inches. May allowance na yung 28 inches. 28 inches for her waistline, i-divide natin siya into 4. So 28 divided by 4, it's 7 inches. Okay? Next is our hip line. Kung saan yung full length nyo, doon din ang hip line. Hip line. Ganun pa din, kailangan may allowance. Yung 3 fingers, we will gonna be using the 3 fingers for allowance. So we have 35 inches sa hip line divided by 4. 32. 8 1/4, I think. 8 1/4 inches. So, medyo mahirap na. 35 divided by 4 ay 8 3/4. So, 8 3/4. So, guys, para mas madali kapag nahihirapan kayo sa paggamit ng calculator, you can, pwede nyo siyang gamitin ang ganitong paraan. So, 35 divided by 4. Hanapin nyo yung 1, yung dulo ng 1 at saka yung 35. Tapos, ganito. So, 1/2. After dividing it into half, kukunin nyo yung 1/4. So, ayan. Kung saan yung dulo nito, yun yung pang-apat na, yun yung 8 3/4 para makuha nyo, para mas madali. Without using calculator or hindi na kayo mahihirapan sa pag-divide. Dito na lang kayo magdi-divide sa tape measure. Next is our bust line. Ito ba natin? Sa bust line, since we measure the bust point and bust distance, dito malapit, dito sa kanyang, sa front part niya, dito din tayo magme-measure ng kanyang bust line. Ganon pa din, kailangan may allowance. So, we have 31 inches. 31 inches for her bust line. And we need to divide it into 4 again. Ilan? 8, 7 and 3/4. 31 divided by 4, 7 and 3/4 inches. So, our bust line would be 7 and 3/4. Ito na yung final. Itong na-divide na. Sa hip line, ito yung final 8 and 3/4. Sa waistline, 7 inches. Sa full length, 19, 12. And sa bust distance, 3 and 1/2. Sa bust point, 9. Sa front chest, 6. Sa back chest, 6 and 1/2. And sa shoulder line, we have 7 inches. So, yun yung sa blouse. Why we need to divide it into 2? Kasi ganito yan, if ever the assessor or during your NC2 examination, the assessor would ask, bakit kailangan i-divide into half or kailangan i-divide siya into 4? Kasi sa slacks, magdi-divide tayo ng 4 at dito din magdi-divide din tayo ng 4. Bakit? Kasi in making our pattern, sa pattern making, doon kasi hindi natin kailangan yung whole paper talaga or whole body measure, ang measure ng kanyang body ilalagay natin sa paper. So, yung half lang ng body yung mini-measure. Kasi kapag ka-half sa kabila, gano'n na rin yung measure, automatic na. So, kapag ka-round na siya, we need to divide it into 4. Kasi 1/4 lang ng body yung kailangan. And kapag ka sa front lang, like for example, sa bust distance, we only divide it into 2 kasi dito lang sa harap yung na-measure natin. So, that's it for our blouse. And yung sa ating sleeves, ito yung sa ating sleeves, armhole, circumference, and length standard. Sa sleeves, we have the standard, yung length ng sleeve niya, 7 inches. Yun yung standard from our TESDA. And ang i-measure lang natin is yung armhole and yung circumference. So, come here. We will measure the armhole. Ganun pa din, kailangan may allowance. So, kailangan yung hole ng blouse nyo, kailangan maluwang siya. So, we have here 19 inches sa armhole. Again, we need to divide it into 2 kasi yung sleeve na gagawin natin, bali half lang din siya ng kanyang kamay. 19 divided by 2, we have 8 and... 19 divided by 2, we have 8 and 1/2. Less 1/2, our armhole would be 8 inches. So, that would be our armhole. Kailangan, after dividing it into 2, yung measure ng armhole, we need to deduct the 1/2. So, 8 and 1/2. Yun yung standard from our TESDA. Then, the circumference. Since our length standard or standard for our sleeve is 7, from here to here, kukunin nyo yung 7 inches, then doon kayo magme-measure ng circumference. Again, maglagay tayo ng allowance. So, meron tayong 11 inches for her circumference. 11 inches divided by 2, we have 5 and 1/2 inches. So, yun lang sa sleeves. Yung sa collar, hindi na siya kailangan i-measure kasi meron tayong standard measurement for our collar. And during the pattern making, dun ko na lang ituturo sa inyo. So, sa ngayon, we have the blouse and the sleeves muna, and later on, I will be sending the slacks. So, that's it for our blouse and for our sleeves. And if you have question about it, you can message me through our GC. So, that's it for today, guys, and hope you enjoy and